Now, we will start reader exercise 11.1 with the first question. In this exercise, you have only the first question, dividing a line segment in the given ratio. That type is included in this exercise. For making this construction, materials required is scale, pencil, eraser and compass, a pencil fixed. These are the required materials for you. So, all of you will keep these things ready. Now, I am going to make the construction for you. There are two parts in this question. The first part tells you have to draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter. So, I am taking the ruler. Ruler is nothing but your scale. Okay. So, keep the scale this way. Draw a line segment for the measurement 7.6. Mark, join them. Now, remove the scale. Name it as PQ. One end P, another end PQ. So, measure of this line segment is 7.6 centimeter. This is the first part. Second part, you are given with a ratio. So, go to the right side, write the ratio. Total parts of this ratio is 5 plus 8, 13. So, this total tells you number of arcs you are going to make. So, second part I am going to do that. Now, take your scale and pencil, draw an acute angle ray starting from P. Extend this nicely till the end of your notebook. Name it as AX. You are going to make this line AX starting from P. Now, take your compass with convenient radius. On this arc, I am going to make 13 arcs. On this line segment, I am going to make 13 arcs. So, very carefully you have the radius. So, this way you adjust. Okay, convenient radius you take. Okay, you are going to do with the compass and pencil. For you to see visibly clear, I am making use of a sketch pen. You are making it with only pencil and compass. Okay. Now, I am taking the compass. Keep the needle on P. Cut an arc with this radius. First arc 1. Like this you have to make how many arcs? 13 arcs. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, I cut 13 arcs on the line segment PX. Now, name the arcs. I started from P. So, first arc is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12 and P13. You also do along with me. You are also doing along with me. Now, end to end you should join. End to end you should join. So, this P13 you have to join with Q. This P13 you are going to join with end Q. Okay, so very carefully you move the scale and you should have a straight line. Join P13 to Q. This is the first part. Now I am going to draw parallel lines. Parallel line for this. Now the ratio first number is 5. So mark a point on 5. Now keep the needle on 13. Convenient radius. You draw one arc like this. Can you see? From needle on P13, convenient radius, you are making one arc like this. Now without moving this compass, without changing the radius of the compass, you go to P5. You go to P5. Keep the needle on P5. Same way you cut an arc. Same way you cut an arc. Now I am going to measure the angle. How to measure angle? Now here this is meeting. So adjust your compass. Keep measuring the angle. Now this is the measure of angle. Now the same measure I am going to do at this place. So coming where I made the arc and that line. So keeping the needle here, mark this way. This is the measure of angle. This is the measure of angle. Now catch hold of this point and P5 you are joining. Name it as R. Now you measure PR, measure QR. So PR plus QR must be PQ, that should not exceed 7.6 centimeter. Now I try to measure it here. So here I am getting 3.5. I am getting 3.5. Now here it is 4.1 centimeter. This is the third part of the question. Measure the two parts. So just I will tell you from the beginning. Okay. So first you draw a line segment. First you draw a line segment for PQ measuring 7.6 centimeter. Draw an acute angled ray starting from P. Starting from P. Name this ray as PX. On PX, cut 13 arcs. Name them as P1, P2 to P13. Then you are going to join end to end. P13 is joined to this end Q. Then draw a parallel line for P13 to Q. How to make that? Keep the needle at P13 with convenient radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. With the same thing you go to P5 and draw an arc. Then measure the angle. Measure the angle at this place. Then join P5 and this point to the line segment. And this R is the point of division. At R the line segment is divided into two parts in the ratio 5:8. So measure PR using scale, QR using scale, and the total should not exceed 7.6. Okay, this is the construction for question number 1.